Now, in my war room matchup, A.J. Green's my first-round pick. Am I going to be disappointed on Sunday?
Yeah, cover your earmuffs. You're not going to like this very much. Jason McCourty will be on the other side, and he will shadow him just like he did in the Week 4 meeting. He was on him on 30 of his 31 pass routes in that game, and he did a great job. Held him to 4 catches for 56 yards. Now, Green, on that one play, he happened to not be on McCourty. Scored a 7-yard touchdown against your Burl Peppers, the rookie who has really struggled. So maybe he'll pull that off again this week. I don't know. I mean, in season long, obviously you're going to start him. But that Bengals offense has really struggled, and he has a tough matchup. DFS, stay away.
Yeah, no question about it. I think in season long, you still have to start A.J. Green. But the positives are Dalton seems to be playing better, and the game is at home. But certainly you downgrade A.J. Green a little bit. What about DeAndre Hopkins?
Yeah,
he seems matchup-proof after Patrick Peterson last week.
Yeah, I was going to say, I mean, again, if you ever thought about benching him, it would have been that game, right? And obviously you didn't do that. He had a pretty good, that one drive really set him apart from the rest of the game. He really ended up with a solid day. But again, another tough matchup here against Baltimore. Matthew, they are so good at cornerback and so deep that sometimes they're just like, hey, Jimmy Smith, take some time off. You stand on the sideline, we'll get first-round pick Marlon Humphrey in the game. They also have Brandon Carr on the outside, and Hopkins lines up on the perimeter about 85% of the time. So he's going to see fresh, very good corners throughout this game. The Ravens have allowed the 7th fewest fantasy points over the past 8 weeks to receivers, so they have been terrific. It's another tough matchup for Hopkins.
Yeah, you downgrade your expectations for the Monday night matchup between Hopkins and the Ravens.